Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire and this is not normally what I look like. I have come down with a stinking cold. Typical, isn't it? Christmas Eve tomorrow and I feel rough. But I wanted to come on and do some sort of unboxing because I've just received a January Lookfantastic beauty box. Now this is a spoiler video. You're not able to get this box right yet. If the December box is sold out, then you'll be able to pre-order it, but from the 1st of January onwards, that's when you can get this box. The cost of the box is £15 and it ships worldwide. It's going to be a little bit of a different unboxing because I feel like crap. So I'm going to turn you around and I'm going to unbox you on my lap. But you'll find links to this box down below in my description or a link to the page where it will be. Plus you'll see all my codes and discount codes. I've got 2 giveaways running at the moment. I've got a YouTube members only giveaway. So all my members have a chance to enter a giveaway a couple of times a year. So I've got one running until, I can't remember, 30th of December, I think it is. And if you are a member and you haven't entered yet, look on the community tab on my page and you will find it there. I've also got a giveaway to win a Lookfantastic Christmas Eve beauty box. Lookfantastic kindly sent me one of their sold out boxes to put up a giveaway on Instagram. So you'll find a link to that down there as well. So let's get on to this unboxing then. I've put you on 0.5 on my camera. So it might be rather wide screen. It was just to get everything in. You can see my tree. Do you know what? That tree, that was 16 foot. This is 8 foot. It stops right at the top. And you can see where we've cut the top off, maybe. So it's just cut off straight. But the rest of that then, another 8 foot long, is a long, thin stick of a Christmas tree. So we just cut the top off. But anyway, so we've got a QR code here because this box isn't released yet. If I were to scan it, it won't come up. But from the 1st of January, it will do. Oh, what's this green stuff there? As of yet, I'm not sure if there's any variations, but with a lot of the beauty boxes, you might have some. So it could be the fact that you could have a wire leader. What have I got here? I've got a skin food. It's a rich, intensive skincare. It's a face and body cream for very dry and rough skin. This is brilliant, by the way. Really, really good. I got a full-size version of this. So you might receive this. This is just a guess now. Or you might receive something else from Leader, you know. Generally, PR boxes contain the same products that new subscribers receive. So we got a 10ml cream there. This is a beautiful cream. It's so, so lovely. I do really like it. This works. There's 10 mils, and this is a stress check mood manager. So this is a spray that you spray into the air in front of you. And it has an effect on your mood. What's it say? Motion activated aromatherapy spray to create a soothing, balanced atmosphere wherever you are. Oh, see what? It would have been perfect if it had like eucalyptus in it. I'd be spraying it everywhere I walked just to just feel better. I've had some cold and flu capsules, so this is why I'm doing the video now. It's a motion activated aromatherapy spray there. Next we got Dr. Lip. This is superfood elderberry tint. It's 100% natural. It's for lips, cheeks and eyelids. There's 8 mils here. I'll just put some on my hand. Hold on. There's no way I put that on my lids. On my eyelids. No. It's a lovely balm. It is great for lips. My lips is really dry at the minute, so I might put some of that on afterwards. So yeah, so you've got a bit of a tint there. So we got Dr. Lip is a multi-purpose balm. Next we got something for your nails. This is from Nails Inc. And this is Get Hard Rebuilding Nail Hardener. Oh, I like this. It's a clear nail treatment to help protect your nails. I have my nails done in a salon, but sometimes, especially when the 4 weeks is up, 1 or 2 might pop off. And then my nails underneath are really, really thin. I've got lots of hormonal problems, so I have to be careful with my nails. They do check them and make sure they're all okay and all that. But when they do pop off, then I do like to put things like hardener on my natural nails just to try and protect them further. And yeah, so that's kind of handy. I will use that if some nails pop off. They don't always, but sometimes they do. Then we've got Philip Kingsley. This is Maximizer. This is a root boosting spray. There is 60 mils there. I don't know if I've even tried this before. Philip Kingsley on my hair is very hit and miss. I just got really thin, fine hair, and it's a bit of a nightmare. It's very candy floss-like, you know, and it's only in the last couple of years it started doing that. Very, very unmanageable. I can't really put it into a style unless I curl it. I must have used this, but I can't think what it was like. We got a thickening spray there for your hair. And then lastly, we have got a So Eco. This is a Jade Stone Gua Sha, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, I've got a ton of these now. I do need to give a few away. I received a load last year in different advent calendars, and you get them now and again in beauty boxes as well. They are good for lymphatic drainage, depuffing the skin, and yeah, I do use them regularly. I think it helps. I'm not sure. I have got a bit of a moon face going on. So I can't really tell, but it feels like it's doing something to my skin. I feel better after doing it. It's a Jade Stone Gua Sha. If you're a beauty box addict like myself, then you may already have a load of these, and you might already have a load of Philip Kingsley Maximizers. You might have a load of This Works sprays, Dr. Lip tints. You might even see Wylida Skin Food before, but I don't think I've seen one of these in a beauty box, or not for a very, very long time. And I think the Skin Food I've probably had in advent calendars. So there might be a lot of familiars there if you are a beauty box addict. But if not, there's a good selection set for your nails, your skin, your lips, your face, the environment, and your hair. So you got something for every part of you, basically. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of the Lookfantastic January beauty box? Are you going to subscribe, or are you thinking, nah, it's not for me? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. And if you celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas to you all. And obviously to everyone else, a Happy New Year. Take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Ta-da.